I just lost my 2 front teeth, but at least I got $5 from the Tooth Fairy. I am very excited because today I am going to be making one of my favorites, Almond Biscuits. It's very simple and easy to make because all you need are 6 ingredients. These are the ingredients that you will be needing. We will be needing 325 grams of almond meal, 200 grams of caster sugar, 4 egg whites. You need to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We will also be needing icing sugar to roll our biscuits in, and almond nuts to decorate our biscuits before they go in the oven. And I will show you how to do that later. And before we start baking, we will be needing to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We will also be needing a baking tray with baking paper. First thing we need to do is mix the almond meal with the sugar. You can use a spatula to mix it, but I'm going to be using my mum's stand mixer. And this is how you do it. Pour it in like that. Sometimes you need to tip it all the way over and pat it. And now for the sugar. It's very white. It's like snow. And now we need to start mixing. We put it down and then we turn it up a little bit. All you need to do, guys, is make sure that the almond meal and the sugar is well combined. It looks pretty good now. So I'll turn it off, and now we're going to pour the egg whites in. Like this. Make sure that all of it's in. Looks very slimy. Now we need to mix it again. I'll pour the vanilla in now. I'll keep mixing until it's well combined. Oh, it smells so good. But it looks pretty well combined now, so I'll turn it off. And this looks all well combined, so come and have a look at the consistency. This is the consistency that we are looking at. Now I will show you how to roll them, and if it's too runny, you might need to add some more almond meal, and if it doesn't come together, you might need more egg white. And now I will put it in here, like this, roll it around, and put it on here, so. And then you will get an almond and then put it on top like that. And now I'll do another one. Spoon it up. Get it off with your thumb and roll it again. Now you need to put it in this again. And then lay it like that. Don't put it too close to each other. You'll see why later. And there. And I'll keep going until there's no mixture left. As you roll, keep your hands wet if it's getting sticky. And this is the last one. Now it's all ready for the oven, and please keep it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, but after 12 minutes please check it and see if you're already happy. Hi guys, this is the second batch of the almond biscuits, but the other ones are still in the oven baking, but while we were waiting, I made a second batch. Now guys, after 15 minutes, my almond biscuits are ready. But we still need to leave them on the cooling rack to let them cool off. But that will only take a few minutes. So now the second batch has arrived, but the first batch has cooled off. So now I'm gonna taste it. It smells so good. I bet it will taste even better than it smells. Oh yeah! This is really good. The good thing about these is they're pretty crunchy on the outside, but on the inside it's really nice texture. And also, this is one of my favorites because my mum has cooked this many times before, and I really liked it, so I'm glad that I was able to cook them as well. And if you make these, I'm sure that you will really like them as well. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. But these are really yummy. The almond on top really gives it a nice flavour. But I'll see you in the